Hey there, sweet tooths! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of chocolatey goodness with a mouth-watering chocolate cake recipe. So, let's get baking. First things first, we'll need to gather our ingredients. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, let's preheat our oven to 350 F175C and grease to 9-inch round cake pans. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, mix the sugar, oil, eggs, milk, and vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, stirring until everything is well combined. Pour the batter evenly into the prepared pans and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool in the pans for 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Now, it's time to make the chocolate frosting. Here's what you'll need: 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a large bowl, cream the butter until it's light and fluffy. Add the cocoa powder and mix until well combined. Gradually add the powdered sugar, beating until the frosting is smooth and creamy. Add the heavy cream and vanilla extract, and beat until the frosting is fluffy and spreadable. Now, let's assemble our cake. Place 1 cake layer on a serving platter and spread a generous amount of frosting on top. Place the second cake layer on top and frost the entire cake. Decorate the cake with your favorite chocolate decorations, and you're all set. And there you have it, folks. A delicious chocolate cake that's perfect for any occasion. We hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more mouth-watering recipes. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!